Building is approximately 490 feet long by 140 feet wide by 70 feet tall. It has a steel frame, brick walls, concrete floor. The building was erected for the manufacture of hydraulic turbines. It consists of a main central bay and two side bays with galleries above. This is a first floor view from the southern end. Central craneway. The front entryway has been modified over the years by the addition of this ramp and these two truck bays. This is a view from the northern end, first floor, main craneway. This is a view from the second floor gallery level, the far northern end of the machine shop. The largest traveling crane in the building is this 75-ton model that's parked at the far northern end of the main craneway. Built in 1913, the building was modern for its time. There was an emphasis at that point in time for something called daylight of industrial buildings, or daylighting. This is found in the large industrial windows that fill the outside walls, as well as the windows that are found in the roof truss. That allowed daylight to light the shop floor. The gallery levels above were also a distinctive feature of machine shop design at that time. And lastly, the traveling cranes. Combine these elements and you have what amounts to a modern machine shop for 1913. It was based on efficiency and production. This is the view of the east second floor gallery looking south. You can see the elevator shaft in the far distance. All floor space within the building was accessible by a crane to allow parts to be moved from station to station. This is a view of the second floor west gallery, similar to the second floor east bay gallery. This is a washroom located on a level between the first floor and second floor gallery at the eastern end. This section is separate from the machine shop in that it's a 3-story tower tacked onto the end of the machine shop, built at the same time. Historic atlases indicate these 3 levels were washrooms and locker rooms. As I mentioned earlier, this building was a machine shop, which had a particular function. It was not a factory, not a mill, nor a warehouse. Its design is purely based upon these craneways, which allowed heavy hydraulic turbines to be moved from one end of the building to the other. Railroad spurs access the building at the southern end, and at a midpoint to allow the finished products to be shipped to market. Moving towards the first floor, this is the view from the stairwell of the West Bay first floor. We're at a mid-level, the northern end, east side. Showing one of those rooms that maybe tools were stored here, perhaps, or the shop foreman was located here, such that he could look out on the shop floor and supervise individuals as well as the movement of parts and machinery. There's this open bay here that allowed that individual to look the length of the shop. This is the stairwell going up to the gallery level above. There's a mark on one of the beams.